Good morning, Bioeconomy Solutions, South Carolina. So when you think about Paulownia, do you think they get that big? Yes, they do. So everything that we tell you about pruning is for this outcome, a nice straight log. And let me show you something. This last log to the right actually grew so big that when it split finally at the top, this last one at the left is the top of it. It's that big. So nice big Paulownia trees. We got a long day ahead of us, but what we're doing is felling these trees for an order that we can go ahead and hopefully ship out tomorrow. So it's going to be a long day, but I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to let you know, if you're wondering if you can sell Paulownia in America, the answer is yes. As to where, well, you have to contact us directly. Send us an email, mail@Bioeconomy Solutions, and check out our last video, X plus Y equals success, on our video series on YouTube. Check it out.